This is the KE100 that I'm trying to diagnose the noise on, so I'm going to start it up here. You should be able to hear it. As soon as I give it gas, it dies out. If I rev it up really slowly, then it can rev right up. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. That guy right there.